If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can enable classes within QuickBooks to classify all transactions for reporting purposes. As used within law firms, classes often represent individual lawyers, partners, or departments within the firm. You can then create reports within QuickBooks that can detail transaction amounts by class. For example, if you create a class for each partner in a law firm, you can then easily review the income earned by a particular law firm partner by using classes. You could also generate a report that lists all transactions classified to a specified partner. However, before you can create the classes within your company file, you must first enable class tracking within QuickBooks. To enable class tracking within QuickBooks, select Edit, Preferences from the menu bar to open the Preferences window. Then click the accounting icon at the left side of the window. In the area to the right, click the Company Preferences tab, and then check the Use Class Tracking for Transactions checkbox. You should also check the Prompt to Assign Classes checkbox to remind the person that performs data entry within QuickBooks to classify all transactions entered. When finished, click the OK button to enable classes. Next, enter the partners and/or departments by which you want to classify your transactions into the class list within QuickBooks. You can open this list by selecting Lists, Class List from the menu bar. Within the Class List window, you can see two default classes appear. You can rename these two classes if desired by simply editing the classes, or you can delete them and create new classes for your law firm. To edit a class shown, first select the class to change within the Class List window. Then click the Class button in the lower left corner of the window and select the Edit Class command from the pop-up menu that appears. Within the Edit Class window, enter a new description into the Class Name field, and then click the OK button to approve your changes when finished. To delete a class shown in the window that has not been used in any transactions, select the class to delete, and then click the Class button in the lower left corner of the window. Then select the Delete Class command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the Delete Class Confirmation dialog box that then appears, click the OK button to delete the selected class. To create a new class, click the Class button in the lower left corner of the Class List window and select the New command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the New Class window, enter the name of the partner or department into the Class Name text box. Optionally, note that if you wish to make this new class a subclass of another class you have already created, for example, the specific lawyers within a department, then check the Subclass of checkbox and then use the Adjacent drop-down menu to select the main class underneath which the current entry will be classified. After entering your class information, click the OK button to add the new class into your class list. In the future, when entering transactions into QuickBooks, you will see a new Class drop-down menu appear within the transaction forms. You can then select the desired value from the drop-down to classify the transactions as needed. If you enabled the Prompt to Assign Classes checkbox within the Preferences window, any unclassified transactions you create will prompt you to classify it before closing the transaction window if you accidentally save an unclassified transaction in the future. Doing this creates a valuable double check to ensure appropriate classifying of transactions for accurate reporting in the future. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.